Today I'm making crazy dessert pizza. So come on, let me show you. I'm starting off with a pan on medium-low heat. I have a half a stick of butter and the oven is preheated to 425. That's what that was. I have a half a stick of butter, one Granny Smith apple, and one Honeycrisp apple. I put in a bunch of walnuts and some apple pie spice. And dude, it smells so good in here. The pizza is now ready to be assembled. So I've taken pre-made pizza dough and I've taken a fork and I've already poked a bunch of holes in it, and that'll help it keep from rising too much. So for my sauce, I'm going to use apple butter that I had left over. Alright, get some of that off of there. And then I have my apple mixture with the walnuts and the apple pie spice. I try to put this on as evenly as possible. And it smells so good. And I was talking to my friend Christy about what I would use as a topping for this. We were thinking like caramel sauce or maybe some cream cheese icing. But then she said, you know what tastes good with apples? Cheese. And I said, yes. So we're going to add some cheese. I've shredded up some Monterey Jack. Or no, it's Colby Jack. I shredded this up, and then, so this will be the topping because it's pizza. Right, and you know that the oven is preheated to 425. It's ready and waiting, so I'm going to put it in maybe for about 20 minutes, but we'll see. Right, the pizza is ready. It was in the oven for about 20 minutes. The cheese is nice and melted and the crust is golden brown, even on the bottom. And I have my piece right here, and I got a nice little cheesy bite, so I'm excited. I was too excited to let it cool down, but man, that is good.